This na the story of an Igbo woman wey e go Germany. After e reach Germany, e come go marry Igbo man. This Igbo man like soft life. E like enjoyment. Anything wey be say e go make am dey look fresh. Anything wey be say e go make am dey happy. Na the thing wey this Igbo man want. But you know wetin come happen? This Igbo man, e no like Oyibo food. All those kinds wey they talk say na salad, all those Oyibo food, e no dey chop am. Na only African food, Igbo food in particular, na this man dey chop. So when I come meet am, me wey be say I dey like to chop everything wey I see. E say na only Igbo food na im go dey chop. Me I come dey complain. I say I go dey cook only ofe enugbe, bitter leaf soup, egusi, achi. Now I can't eat this thing. I said, how we say we go stay for Igbo man land? We no go dey eat Igbo man food at all. I said, no, make I try am. So one fateful day, when you don't go work, come back. Now I come prepare salad. I come fry meat. I come prepare salad. The salad come rich. I come put avocado, I come put egg, I come put maize, I come put everything wey they put inside salad, come make am wey make it rich. I come cut small chicken breast, I come put them inside the salad. Now I come keep and wait for am. As he come back, I come give am the food. He come chop the salad finish. He come tell me, say he don't chop the salad finish, make I bring the food come. I say, no be food you chop so. Now the food where I keep for you, na be this so. I will not get any soup, will not get anything. He say no, say I don't make salad. He say, but salad no be food. I say, no. Now the food where you go chop sleep, na be that. He say, I ain't go take chop grass, eat, sleep. I say, this one no be grass. If you want grass, make I carry you go outside. I know how grass they be. Grass no they get egg. Grass no they get any nutrient for human being. Even though say some grass, they make people high. Some grass, they make people low. Some grass, they even put some people for yaba left. So, as I thought to finish, you can't look left, look right. You look inside fridge, look inside freezer. You don't see any onubo soup. You don't see any ogbono soup. You don't see any meat. You don't see any food. Now you can't say, if I say this woman don't meet me this night too. Okay, make I try sleep. If I sleep, wake up, I no feel any hungry. Now I go no say true na food. Now I sleep. I chop sleep. So in the night, now you can't go toilet. You can't shit. As you can't wake up in the morning, body can't light. You can't say, hey, ne, this food that you gave me yesterday night, you good. As I wake up this morning, I just shit. My stomach can't do free. My body can't light. I say, you see now. That's why they tell you, say, no be only your phone, no be only grease, no be only fufu, no be only garri, we go dey chop. You get other things, one person go chop, we be say, your belly go good, your body go good if you wake up. You say, okay, from today, I want to dey chop this kind of food, but no be every day. I can say, okay, no problem. So, my brothers and sisters, now so this Igbo man, why I marry, now so he come begin the chop salad. You can't begin the chop salad though. So one day, now I can't grind some things, whether they call them smoothie. I carry and give her. He say, wetin be this one? I think they call them smoothie. Now different types of fruits. Sometimes I go make her with yogurt. I go make her with yogurt with raspberry. It go sweet, it go nice. I go give her. He go drink her. You go say he never drink all this kind of thing before. I say, now one day person they start something. As we dey here now, we saw this type of fruit full everywhere. We go dey take them. We go dey not take and they nourish our body. He say, he never chop this type before, so but he go try am. I come so okay. So that day now I come make all this kind of drink where be say everything come fresh, come sweet. Now I come give her. Now he come drink and finish. As he drink and finish, come begin dey tell me say, this thing's good though. Say it good. See am now. As I make this one finish, now I come give her. Say make it test. Say as he drop in belly, he test, he drink am. He can't tell me say it good. Me self, I can't take one. Can't hammer the thing. As I wake up in the morning, I shit. Now so my belly come free. Guys, if you do this thing finish, just put am inside fridge. This one go last you like 1 week. If you do the one, go last you for 1 week, depending on how many people dey your house. Okay, so if you want ingredients wey I take do this one, I go put am for comment section. Thanks for watching.